Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we dive into the news and the charts to help you make sense of the market. Today, we're looking at Tesla stock, Tesla, a name that's been making headlines lately, and we'll be trying to figure out what the charts are telling us. Let's start with the big picture, the daily chart. As we can see on the daily chart, Tesla has been in a downtrend since the beginning of the year, but that downtrend was broken in mid-July. There's a very clear resistance level around $270 and a big support level around $150. Looking at the latest moves, the stock seems to be struggling to find support. However, the bullish bounce from mid-July could suggest that the stock is not ready to give up its recent gains. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a better look at the recent price action. We're going to focus on the last week of trading, starting on August 21st. This zoomed-in perspective will help us to identify more granular support and resistance levels, potential reversals, and pinpoint key price levels to watch. Right off the bat, we can see a clear resistance level at around $230, which has been tested several times in the past week, but the stock has failed to break through it. There's also a support level around $210, which seems to be holding up for now, but the stock seems to be losing steam. The recent news and events surrounding Tesla are quite interesting. The most recent news is about Tesla's stock price falling again, which seems to be the driving force behind the recent downtrend in the stock. However, it's worth noting that news on China vehicle registrations is still looking good, which might be a good sign for the future. Looking at the 15-minute chart will provide us with an even more detailed view of the price action. We'll focus on the trading from August 26th to August 28th to see if there are any discernible patterns in the short term. These short-term patterns might give us a better understanding of the potential trajectory of the stock in the immediate future. The 15-minute chart shows some choppy trading and price swings. The stock seems to be struggling to break through the $215 resistance level, and there are multiple instances of short-term reversals. These reversals suggest that the stock could be getting ready to consolidate or potentially bounce back to the $220 to $225 range. In conclusion, while the daily chart shows a potential for a bullish bounce based on its recent gains, the 1-hour and 15-minute charts indicate a more cautious outlook. The stock is currently facing strong resistance around $225 and is showing signs of weakness, with the potential for consolidation or a small retracement. However, we'll need to keep a close eye on the $210 support level, as breaking below it could signal a further decline. The upcoming news on Tesla's earnings could be a major catalyst, potentially pushing the stock in either direction. If we see a strong break above the $225 resistance level, it could signal a renewed bullish momentum, potentially leading the stock towards the $250 level, which is a crucial price level to watch. Conversely, a break below the $210 support level could trigger a downward move towards the $200 level, which also holds a significant importance. Ultimately, the short-term outlook for Tesla appears to be volatile, and the next few weeks will be crucial in determining the direction of the stock. Keep in mind that this analysis is based on the current market conditions and news events, and is not a financial advice. Do your own research and seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions.